BDO secured credit cards honest review. Watch before using. You won't believe how many people get stuck in bad credit cycles simply because they choose the wrong card to rebuild their score. And that's where BDO secured credit cards can make a real difference. BDO secured credit cards are designed for people who are building or rebuilding their credit. You provide a security deposit, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. Here's what most people get wrong. They think secured cards don't help much. In reality, when used responsibly, they report to credit bureaus and help improve your credit history over time. BDO offers secured cards with relatively accessible approval requirements, making them popular for first-time cardholders and those with limited credit history. You can use the card for everyday purchases, pay your balance on time, and gradually build a positive credit profile. However, the surprising truth is that secured cards still require discipline. Missed payments can still hurt your credit. BDO secured cards are best for people starting their credit journey or repairing damaged credit. The surprising truth is that rebuilding credit is about consistency, not shortcuts. BDO secured cards help support that process. If you are ready to take control of your credit, BDO secured credit cards are worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest credit building tips and reviews.